Good afternoon, sir. I am Jacqueline Crazo, first year Criminology from Section Cubic. Now, I discuss to you about the nature of criminology. Number one, it is applied science because criminology as a body of knowledge has already established universally accepted principle and concept, and they are used by other field of study instrumentation. So, cream is already science and it is body of knowledge. It is already established in their universal acceptance, and it is also being studied around the world. And these concepts are being used in other fields. So, number two, it is social science because it studies crime as a social phenomenon. Crime is a social problem which has a great impact to society. So, as the society suffers for the effects of crime, it has become a social problem, and we are dealing also criminology through social sciences. We're studying context of society. We are we are the studying people, the relationship of the one another, or what forms the criminal behavior, and how crime is committed in our society. Number three, it is dynamic because the concept of criminology and their applications adapt to the changing time. When we say dynamic, means it's changing. It improves as the other sciences develops. Criminology also it's developed or developing. Okay, number four, it is nationalistic because the study of criminology takes into consideration the history, the culture, and the social norms and the laws of the country. Each country has its own sets of law, and crimes are defined by the laws of the country. So, each country has its own sets of laws. So, the crime is defined by the laws of the country. So, we study a criminology in a nationalistic nature because we criminology in the Philippines in the context of the law. So, every has their own sets of law, and they also study the sets of law in the context of their steps of laws. So, we are recap the nature of criminology. First, it is applied science. Number two, it is social science. Number three, it is dynamic. And number four, it is nationalistic.